Hi there, this is Spencer with Xima Software. Today's tutorial is going to discuss a little bit more about real-time wallboards, specifically the line widget. Join me over here on the left-hand side where it says real-time wallboards. Top right-hand side and click new wallboard. Now, again, as a reminder, you can add any widget to any existing wallboard you've created already or an existing template. This is just for the sake of demonstration. I want to show you really quickly to make a wallboard from scratch using this widget only. Click new wallboard, click custom. Let's call this line widget. Right hand side, click line. Now on the top left hand side, you can kind of see a small little box has a line in it. It's not very noticeable, but you can see that here. Let me expand it, make it a little bit bigger for you. Click on this widget itself. And let's go ahead and make that like that. So it's a line that's a little bit wider. Now also note here at the top, it says design. Okay, there's no data and design tabs. There's just a design tab. That is intentional. This widget is more for customization and really separating out values or underlining other values to customize the wallboard the way you want. Okay, this is not for a metric or a value that you want to add to this. This is just really for aesthetics, for customization. With that said, moving on here, we'll show you what we can do with it. That's a square line. If I want to do more of a rounded line, I can like that. I can do that. You can change this to horizontal or vertical. Change the color of the line. Maybe this bluish color might be good. Now this background around this is not very aesthetically pleasing. So if that's the case, go down here to background color, which is defaulted to white. Just click that to make it more transparent. Now that's a little bit better than it was before. This now is going to be shown as more of a separating type of widget. If I put it down here in the middle, for instance, maybe I want to separate out a couple of skills. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, or 3 on the top, 2 on the bottom, whatever you want to do. You can separate this out, make it a little bit more clean and more separate. That is one option, or underline other widgets, specifically the title value widget or the text value widget, however you want to do this. This line is for that purpose. Okay, if I want to add in a style to the border, I can do that as well. Border is a little bit more secondary to this widget, in my opinion, but you can add a border to it, and it's not quite in the middle until you add some padding to it. So maybe I'll move this down a bit, add some padding, so it's more in the center of that border that you've put in there. That is the line widget.